Hello South High parents. This is just a tutorial to help you control notifications coming from your student's Google Classroom. So what you will need to do is have your student log into their Google Classroom. Then go to the top left corner under Main Menu, select Settings, and then you can choose what type of notifications that you would like to come from their Google Classroom. So you can choose to receive emails from the comments, the classes that they're enrolled in, once new work is posted, if they have any invitations, due date reminders, anything like that. In order to turn on and off these notifications, you would click on the blue, and then you can turn them back on. The receive email notifications, this will turn them all off, or you can individually choose in here. In order to be invited into your student's Google Classroom, you will need to log into their specific classes and then go under People and press Invite Guardian.